Welcome back, everyone. Tracy Anderson here with the MP Lab. Just a quick little video on how to try and understand what's going on when you're having problems with a strategy or an indicator that you've downloaded into NinjaTrader. The NinjaTrader has a very powerful feature that has to be turned on before you run anything. It does not save any data. And so what we do is we come into new, we come down to NinjaScript Output. We click on that and we get this big output window that is empty. Okay. So now, for example, we want to verify every day that we have I have some automated levels that come in every day on some Mancini levels from Adam Mancini. So for his subscribers, those levels can be automatically entered into an automated strategy and into the indicators for TradingView. But how do we verify that we got the correct levels? What we can do, okay, we've got our strategy loaded here. The first thing we're going to need to do is we want to edit the strategy, okay? And we want to make sure that we have the bottom of all the outputs. We have enable debug prints, okay? Number 5. Most all of my strategies that I code have a toggle to enable debug prints, okay? And you want to make sure that is checked, okay? As long as that is checked and you have the NinjaScript output window open, you will get prints. Okay, so that is ready to go. We'll hit OK, and we immediately get a couple prints, okay? So the levels filtering is on, but my source for my CSV of the levels is empty. That is because our strategy is not enabled, so it has not been activated yet. So we can enable that strategy, and then we see we immediately get a number of prints, okay? Most notably, after enabling the strategy, we get a few more. Let's move this over to the center of our screen. So it's enabled, and we get some CSV fetched, and there it is. We have a level of 69.50, okay? And the total price levels are 36. So what we can do with this 69.50 is we can then look at, for my elite subscribers, you can look at the daily levels on Discord and verify that this is the correct level. They do all update automatically, but if you're having any sort of problems or issue or thinking that you're missing some trades, this is where you can see and verify that those levels are being updated correctly. Until next time, trade like a pro and have an edge.